Good evening, Jen. Yes, tighter employment restrictions, one of the biggest changes that we will see with this law. And tonight we are hearing from a panel as this marks a very pivotal point in Florida's history. Another stipulation in this law is that anyone who knows or may have known that they were transporting an undocumented immigrant into Florida could be faced with a felony. So some worry about the language of this law, saying that it may be too vague and it could lead to racial profiling. And we also heard from Hillsborough County State Attorney Susan Lopez, who says how this will play out for victims and witnesses who may be undocumented in the judicial system.
Never once in my 17 years as a prosecutor, my short time on the bench, or my time as the state attorney, have I ever looked at a victim or a witness and said, are you a citizen? Are you documented? Because I want victims and witnesses of crimes to know that we stand up for them no matter what their status is.
Now, there's definitely a mix of opinions about this law. We've seen protests pop up throughout the state, but one thing that everyone was in agreement is that it's too soon to tell exactly how this will play out in Florida. Jen?
Well, you make a good point there, because this law also has a lot of employment mandates tied to it.
Yes, employers have to decide and verify that their employees are legally allowed to work in the U.S., specifically businesses with 25 or more employees. If they do not comply, they face very hefty fines, up to $1,000 a day. And again, we are seeing more protests planned through the weekend. Reporting live in Tampa tonight, Lenny Sue Paul, 8 on your side.
All right, Lenny, thank you very much.